These commands are typically used to improve system stability and performance and solve various issues that may occur on the Windows operating system. This command is used to check and repair hard disk errors. It looks for issues like bad sectors or file errors and provides a report on them. Benefit: it helps improve device performance by ensuring the integrity of the hard disk. This command checks the hard disk and automatically repairs any errors it finds. Benefit: fixes errors that could affect performance and data integrity on the disk. The System File Checker command scans all protected system files to detect and repair corrupted files using available backups. Benefit: it repairs corrupted system files that may cause issues with Windows operations. This command is used to repair the Windows image, which may be corrupted or contain errors. Benefit: it rebuilds the system image, helping to fix system-related errors that SFC cannot repair. This command displays the memory usage settings on the system. Benefit: it provides information on how the system allocates memory, useful for monitoring memory performance. This command changes the memory usage settings to increase performance by allowing the system to use more memory to enhance caching. Benefit: it can significantly improve system performance when dealing with large amounts of data. This command is used to disable the dynamic tick feature in the system, which is designed to save power, but may sometimes cause the device to freeze or respond slowly. Benefit: it helps resolve system freezes or stutters caused by the dynamic tick feature. These commands are typically used to improve system stability and performance and solve various issues that may occur on the Windows operating system.